Imagine a world where oil never existed. No gasoline, no plastic, no jet fuel. The cities look different. The air is cleaner. The rhythm of life is slower. This is a world without oil, a journey into an alternate Earth that never discovered black gold. Oil was the spark that ignited the modern world. It fueled revolutions, built nations, and shaped economies. Without it, the Industrial Revolution would have slowed down. Steam engines and coal would remain dominant for decades longer, delaying the birth of the modern age. Without oil, cars as we know them would never exist. Cities would rely on electric trams and horse-drawn carriages. Airplanes might have been invented a century later, powered by hydrogen or solar energy. The world would feel larger, and global travel would be rare and expensive. Oil gave us plastic, a miracle material that changed everything. Without it, our world would look more natural. Glass, wood, and metal would dominate manufacturing. Oceans would be cleaner, but hospitals and technology would struggle without lightweight materials. Without oil, the balance of global power would shift entirely. The Middle East, the United States, and Russia would not dominate world politics. Instead, nations rich in coal, sun, and wind would rise to power. We might have invested in renewable energy centuries earlier, changing the course of history. Oil powered every modern war, from tanks to aircraft carriers. Without it, wars would be smaller, slower, and maybe less destructive. Battles would rely on coal trains and steam-powered machines instead of engines fueled by oil. Without oil, Earth would breathe easier. There would be fewer carbon emissions, cleaner air, and cooler temperatures. But humanity's hunger for energy would still remain, replaced by coal or biofuels, perhaps equally damaging. Would a world without oil be better? Maybe. We might have discovered clean technology earlier, or maybe billions would still live in poverty without cheap energy. Oil was both a blessing and a curse. It built our civilization and endangered it at the same time. Oil powered more than machines. It powered civilization itself. Without it, we might be cleaner, but slower, colder, and less connected. Perhaps the real question isn't, what if oil never existed? But, can we live without it now?